to move off the automatic car. In this video, POM routine for automatic car. What is the examiner expecting from the learner? What are the mistakes normally learners are doing in the test? POM routine. Prepare. Press the brake pedal, then change gear to drive. Then release the handbrake. Observation. Observation is the most important part of driving. Before we move off, need to check 360 degrees from the left side to the right side, because I have parked on the left-hand side, and moving vehicles are on my right side. I am expecting hazards are pedestrian crossings behind or in front of the car, vehicles approaching from the front, backside, and driveways. If it's safe, mirror signal just before moving off, check the right blind spot. I highly recommend double check ahead and behind again.
So I'm going to move off a little bit busy junction. Little bit busy is not that too busy. So I'm using an automatic car. So I'm pressing a brake, changing into D, release the handbrake. I'm going to look from the back window all the way towards my right side. There's a learner car pulling over on the right side. There's a car approaching as well. So I'm going to tell other people, mirror checking the mirror again, indicate right. So I'm going to wait. There's a two car approaching from the back. That's it. It's safe from the back now. I'm checking the right shoulder. The learner car doing the maneuver. There's a heavy vehicle approaching from the back. So before the heavy vehicle approach, I can move off.
What does the examiner handbook say? The examiner should observe whether the candidate first sees to the front, then to the rear, that the way is clear for pulling out, gives the appropriate signal if necessary, and moves away smoothly and safely. What are the mistakes normally learners are doing in the test? Moving off from behind a parked vehicle into the path of an approaching vehicle. Repeatedly moving off from the side of the road with no blind spot checks. Pulling off from the right-hand side of the road, causing an oncoming vehicle to slow or stop. Not making any rear observations when moving off following an emergency stop.
Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and family members. Drive safe, save life. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.